Got a little something special from Circuit Hero. Let's get that open ASAP. So, I have something a little special from Circuit Hero. They were nice enough to give me a little deal on it. But anyways, it's gonna be something for the interior of the Accord. Since not all the parts come in at once and some things are delayed and back ordered and stuff like that, I'm gonna be doing the build in phases, and this is gonna be the first phase for the interior. But let's get a little bit of a insider of what's in here. All right, so oh god, the packaging has something special. It's a little heavy, so that gives you a little bit of a insider. So this is gonna be the Circuit Hero shift extender, or the shift knob extension. I don't know what you want to call it, but anyways, this is that. It's just gonna be metal. And then the next part, which is the heavier part, is gonna be the Circuit Hero teardrop shift knob. It's really heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but I like that because honestly the shifter that's in the Accord right now is not mine, so I gotta return that ASAP. But let's get the first look. Bam, there we are, boys. All right, let's get this into the car. This is gonna be the shift knob. It looks really nice. I got it in the polish, so it's kind of shiny. It also has a reflection. Dang, there's like a little effed up part right here. Whatever, I don't give a shit. Anyways, so that's the shift knob, and then this is the extender. Let's open that up real quick. Let's get that. Alright. It's like that. It's also in the polish. So this is a really easy install, but it really elevates your interior, especially if you get one that you like. So let me just take this off. Byron's actually the one who provided me this shift knob, and I've been using it for about 6 months. Oh shit! I've been using it for about 6 months, so shout out to him. So let's get the extender on there. Yeah, perfect fit. I mean, oh, hold on. It's a good fit, but also it kind of gets stuck on the threads. Yeah, what the heck? Hold on. Boy! Is there like stuff stuck on it? Alright, well, anyways, let's just try this out for now. And then, yeah. Wow, this is interesting. Wow, this thing's really tall. Holy crap. Alright. Wow. This is way taller than the freaking, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to upgrade the shifter bushings and get it a little more stiff, because wow, this is tall. But let's see what it's like without this. Let's see what it's like without this thingy on there. Let's see which one's a better look. So you guys keep that picture of the tall ass shift shift knob setup and see how it is for this one. Oh, this is sick. Oh wait, hold on, let me get the threads right. Dude, there's got to be something up with these threads, bro, because they're not cooperating. Oh, this is sick. It's really small though. To be honest, it's really small, but I like it. So let's put it back to the extender. I don't know why it's like so tough to thread it on there, but yeah, it's like stops around there, so I have no clue what the heck's going on. This is so weird. Holy crap. Look at that. I mean, I like it though. Like it's like polished and it's metal on metal, and eventually I do want to get a metal shift plate for this part. It's kind of dusty right now, but anyways, yeah, this is kind of the new shifter setup. We're gonna figure this out, but we got more interior pieces to clean up. I'm also gonna get the stock like entertainment system, because I didn't really care about the sub or the screen, and yeah, that's gonna be the next thing we get actually. So this is the part 1 to the interior refresh. Hopefully, even though it looks kind of weird and wacky right now, I'm telling you the end result's gonna look really clean. I was finding out that the extender was kind of not the right setup for me, but luckily I know someone who can use it. This guy. No, take that one off and let's go install it into your Miata.
Alright, let's go.
This is Calvin's current shift knob and setup, but dude, you're not serious. Does it thread the same? Do you have the same thread pattern as me or no?
Let me see.
It's like 10 by
Should be.
He already has an extender. I don't know why he wants to see how tall it's gonna get, but this is gonna look ridiculous.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Race car.
Oh, that's weird. That's so weird. All right, dude, just replace it with the Circuit Hero one. Let's see, cause I think it looks better. So this is what it looks like right now. I like the look. It looks a little bit weird with the shift boot, but other than that, the details of the shift knobs are really cool. It looks like I can't really use this, at least right now, because for one, the threads on here are they're not the best. They're already kind of messed up, and also it makes it way too tall. So I probably won't be able to use it, at least on this car, but definitely shout out to Circuit Hero for providing me with these products at a really good price, and looking forward to seeing what else I can do for the interior.